Hey guys, this lesson is just as fast, if not faster, than the last lesson. So all we're doing is we're dividing rational expressions. So it's just like the last one, except we are dividing. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Here's the first one right here. So we have this fraction divided by this fraction. And if you remember from grade school, we change this to a multiplication and we flip this guy. So this one stays the same. So what I like to say is keep, change, flip. Keep this one the same, change this one to multiplication, and flip this one. So keep, change, flip. There it is right there. Okay, and then it's just like the last lesson, you guys. We just start cross-canceling if we can, or even cancel from below. The only thing I can see is 4 goes into this 4 times, 4 goes into this 3 times right there. So there's that right there, and that's all that cancels. So I have 4 times 5 on top, which is 20. Here's 2 x's, here's one more, so 20x to the third, all over the 3 times 3, or 9 right there. Okay, easy. All right, try it with this one. Okay, keep, change, flip. Okay, and then so all I did is flip. Now we're going to factor all these guys. So there it is, all factored. So this is a difference of squares. This is x plus 3, x minus 3. Factors of 6 that add to 5 are 2 and 3. Factors of negative 8 that add to negative 2 are negative 4 and positive 2. And then I GCF'd a 4x out of both these guys, so we're left with 4x, x minus 3. Okay, and then just start canceling all the common factors right there. Okay, and so it looks like we're left with x minus 4 over 4x. I know I went fast. You guys can pause. You guys can go back and all that stuff. So quick lesson. Okay, so keep, change, flip. So here we go. Keep, change, flip. Boom. All right. And then now we're going to factor. Okay, there we go. Factored. Everything's all factored. Okay. So GCF to 7x out of this guy right here. Factors of negative 3 that adds to positive 2 are positive 3 times negative 1. Factors of negative 8 that adds to negative 7 are negative 8 and positive 1, and then that one's already factored, okay? And then just start canceling, you guys. Those guys can cancel right there. Those guys can cancel right there, and is that it? I think that's it, you guys. So come on now. Here we go. Okay, so there it is. Yeah, so 7x, x minus 3. I'm sorry, x minus 8 over x plus 3, okay? All right, what else do we have? Okay, so I think this is the last one, you guys. Okay, so when this is not written as a fraction, then write it as a fraction. This is over 1. Okay, so let's go ahead and write it like that, over 1, and then keep, change, flip. So this one's going to be, whoops, I forgot to put in my little fraction bar right there. Let me fit that in there, and this is going to drive me nuts here. So I'm going to go right there, and then so there's my fraction bar right there. Okay, and I'm going to copy and paste that because it's going to drive me nuts without that there. I saw that there earlier today, and I forgot to put that in there. Okay, all right, you guys with me? Okay, now we're going to factor. So I'm going to GCF a 3 out of that, and it's going to be 3 quantity x squared plus 8x plus 12, okay, and then let's see, did I keep going right there? Yeah, so factors of 12 that add to 8 are 6 and 2. So here this is right over here. Okay, let me paste that back in there. Okay, so there's that, and then just start canceling. The only thing I can cancel are these 3's right here, and then the x plus 2's right there. Okay, so it looks like we're going to have x plus 6, this leftover x plus 6 over 2x plus 3. Okay, all right. Now, if you're on my class, I would assign that for your homework. I'll see you in class. Take care.